Greetings everyone, it is Jungle Jim, and welcome back to episode 8 of Undertale! The adventure continues with this strange dog doodly. Oh, I forgot to do something last time. Knowing that dog will never give up trying to make the perfect snow dog, it fills you with determination. Snowed in spaghetti. Save. Snowed in doghouse. File saved. Woohoo! Let us continue. This guy's kind of weird. Looks kind of lazy too. Oh, jeez. Ooh, what's down here? Here. It's a snow papyrus with big muscles. What do we have here? It's a lump of snow with the word sands written on it in red marker. Nice snow sculptures, guys. Really. Let's get a surveillance on this place. We have to get over there, I presume. So, let's see here. No! Shoot. Alright. Whee! I did not expect that. Okay, so I know I cannot die. Good to know. Oh wait, I think I actually see the way to do this. Okay, so here. Here. Yep. Whee! Boop. Boop. Boop, boop, boop. Yes! Second try! Be proud of me, folks. Cool. Uh-oh, it's all ice. I can't stop moving. Ah! I got snow on my head. What's down here? Another Sans. Hello, Sans. What's up? Whoa, there's eyes in that thing. What's up? That's all he says. I see glowy eyes. Creepy. Lots of glowy eyes. What the? There's two Sans. Okay, you look scary. You look very scary. Giftrot confronts you. I'm sorry. You are ugly. What can we do? We can check undecorate, decorate, or gift. I think it's the first person I actually get to give something instead of get. Well, let's see what you like. Gift trot. Attack 16, defense 8. Some teams decorated it as a prank. Oh, you poor critter. You poor ugly critter. Get this off me! Off of me! Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Ah! Okay, that was painful. Gift Trot tries vainly to remove its decorations. Oh, I can get that for you. You remove the striped cane that says, I use this tiny cane to walk on it. Oh. Well, that's a little bit, I guess. That's a little better. But you're still attacking me. That's not nice. Stop. Giftrot is slightly less irritated. You don't look any less irritated. You still look just as ugly. Sorry. You remove a small, confused dog. Why was there a dog in there? That's a little better. Ah, that was not fair. You can't do that. Giftrot is slightly less irritated. I'm gonna go for it. Undecorate. You remove the box of non-dog related raisins. Oh my goodness. The Pomeranians. Oh my goodness, the puns are all over in this snow world. All over, I swear. A weight has been lifted. Yeah, you look a lot better now. Gift shop problems have been taken away. Good! Don't hurt me! Oh, I can spare you. Yeah, I'm going to spare you. Hi! You won. You earned 0 XP and 20 gold. Only 20? Come on. That's a lot of work. Okay, so there's a sands there. And there's a sands here. What the crap? Are you lost? Yes! No! I'm not lost, I'm confused. Ooh, what's here? What do we have here? Mushrooms, I think. Can I go in there? It's a door. Do I get to go into the door? I want in the door! Let me in! The door. Okay, I guess I can't go in. That's dumb. No point in having a door if you can't access it. Gosh. Jeez. Snap. Hello, Double Sands. You're weird. I swear, you have teleportation powers. It's really creepy. So, shall we continue? It's so cute. It's so little. It's a snow puff. And this is a snow puff. What the heck is a snow puff? This, however, is a snow puff. This is funny. Surprisingly, it's a snow puff. Snow puff. Is it really a snow puff? Behold! A snow puff. Let's go read that sign before I get too far along. Woof. Woof. That it? What a tiny doghouse! Yes, very tiny. Very cute. I don't think I read this one. Eh? There's 30 gold inside this! What is this? Well, I just got 30 gold, I think. It's a snow puff. Uh-oh, that is not a snow puff. That thing is moving. It's moving. Oh, it's a puppy. Big puppy. It's the crazier dog. Hi. You're scary. You know, his thing would go along with a lot of other my friends. Oh, well, let's act. Rate your dog. Check, beckon, ignore, pet, play. Let's check you first. Rate your dog. Attack 15, defense 8. It is so excited that it just thinks fighting is just play. Well, beating him up won't do any good then because he'll think of it as a game. Oh, you're so cute! Just sleep in there. Rate your dog is watching you intently. Alright, let's beckon you. You call the grazer dog. It bounds towards you, flicking slobber into your face. Ugh, gross. Ah. Ooh, okay, that was scary. Grazer dog is seeking affection. Does that mean you want to be pet? Yeah, I'll pet you. Grazer dog curls up in your lap as it is pet by you. It gets so comfortable, it falls asleep. Gee, sounds like the generic cat or dog. Dot, dot, dot. Then it wakes up. It's so excited. Good thing it didn't fight me. Nope, I spoke too soon. Ow! Okay, I'm low in health. I'm low in health. Help! Rachel dog is patting the ground with its front paws. Ice cream. You're super spiffy. You recovered 15 HP. Thank goodness. Ow. Oh, Rachel dog is patting the ground with its front paws. I guess that means you want to play. You make a snowball and throw it for the dog to fetch. Don't get up, boy! Leave me alone! It splats on the ground. That was real productive. Crazier Dog picks up all the snow in the area and brings it to you. Ah, that's too much snow! Now Dog is very tired. It rests its head upon you. Aw, I love it when he sleeps. It's so good. Crazier Dog wants some TLC. Oh, tender loving care. I guess pet? As you pet the dog, it sinks its entire weight into you. Oh no, that's a big critter, don't. Your movement's slow. But you still haven't pet enough. Oh jeez. No. Woo, okay. Pet capacity is 40%. Wait, there's math in this now? Crazier Dog. Pet. You pet decisively. Pet capacity reaches 100%. Good. I don't need to be doing this much longer. The dog flops over with its legs hanging in the air. Does that mean it died? No. Woo. Crazier Dog is contented. Ah, that's good. Yay! He's done! He's done! You won. You earned 0 XP and 40 gold. Thank goodness, that's a lot of gold. Oh, you are that tiny little puppy. And thank you for the kiss. And he walks away with his butt hanging out of his armor. That's funny. Butt hanging out of his armor. Well, we got a bridge. Let's go. Uh-oh. Human! This is your final and most dangerous challenge. Oh dear. Behold! The Gauntlet of Deadly Terror. Yeah, I need to run away. I definitely need to run away! Is that a dog hanging there? So we've got a flail, a spear, a dog, and the words are in the way with the rest. When I say the word, it will fully activate. Cannons will fire, spikes will swing, blades will slice. Don't do this to me! Each part will swing violently up and down. Yeah, I need to go. Only the tiniest chance of victory will remain. Don't make me do this. Are you ready? No, I'm not ready. Because I am about to do it. Fire, cannon, spear. Well, what's the holdup? Hold up? What hold up? I'm about to activate it now. Please don't. Can I run away? I cannot. That doesn't seem very activated. You know, actually, no, it really doesn't. I feel kind of safe, actually. Well, this challenge, it seems maybe too easy to defeat the human with. Yeah, I'd say so. Yeah, we can't use this one. I'm a skeleton with standards. Not very high standards if you wear the same outfit for weeks on end. My puzzles are very fair. Okay, I will give him that one. And my traps are expertly cooked. I will not give you that one. I have yet to taste that. But this method is too direct. No class at all. So you're giving up on me then. Good. Away it goes. Woo. Thank you. Whew. What are you looking at? This was another decisive victory for Papyrus. Okay, I don't care. I lived. Nah! Ha! Ha! Dot dot dot. You look so angry. Huh? Bye. Alright. What's up with Sans?
I don't know what my brother's gonna do now. If I were you, I would make sure I understand blue attacks.
Well, I've understand them to the point that as long as you're not moving when they hit you, you're safe. Is that all you're gonna tell me, bro? Okay. Let's go. Ooh, a welcome sign. Welcome to... What the heck does that say? Snowed in. Oh my goodness, even a town is named after a pun. Snowed in. Snowed in. Urgh. Why does it have to be the Icelands that are just the absolute worst? Hey, we got a shop. And the save point! So, in the box. Use the box, definitely! Okay. So, I only have one ice cream. I do not need the snowman piece. Grab that. Okay, it looks good. So we got an inn and a shop. So, we will save both of those for next time. Thank you all so much for watching this episode of Undertale. Please tell your friends about the adventure so they can come in and join as well. And don't forget to do some priority things, such as if you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, like the video. And even if you don't like the video, like the video. Leave me a like. It helps a lot. And most important of all, leave a juicy comment down below for me to read. And I will talk to you guys next time. Have a good time, slapsticks. Goodbye.